Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using my scraper mixer for the first time. So what we're going to be making today is basic pizza dough or basic pizza base. So the ingredients that we're going to be needing is 2 2/3 of cups of white flour. So that is 2 cups and 2/3 of a cup. So 1 cup is 250 ml. Next, we are going to be adding 2 teaspoons of yeast. And next, we are adding 2 teaspoons of salt. It could be any salt that you have. I'm using table salt. And we are going to be adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil if you have it. I have avocado oil with a little bit of canola oil in it as well because I ran out of the avocado oil. But I think any oil will do, depends upon your preference and whatever's available in your pantry. Lastly, we're adding in our 1 cup of warm water or lukewarm water as they say, and then you need it if you don't have a mixer, but today I want to have my mixer in a use, so I'm using a mixer to get it all mixed up and let the dough hook of my mixer do the kneading for me. So let the mixer knead or mix for 10 minutes straight, or if you're kneading it by hand, let it knead it until 10 to 15 minutes until it's all combined. If it's still sticky on your hands or on the mixing hook, then you have to add a little bit more of flour until it no longer sticks really hard on the hook and on your fingers. Once you are happy with the consistency of your dough, after it's been well combined either by kneading or by the mixer, you have to mix it back all over again a little bit with your hands just to get rid of the residue stuck on the bowl, and then that's how it's gonna look like. And then, see, it no longer sticks on my fingers. Now our dough is ready for rising. We have to oil the bowl that we put our dough in and put the dough in the middle and cover it with cling wrap and put it in a warm area. Let the dough rise for 1 hour until it doubles its size. Hey Google, set timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, and that's starting now.
1 hour is up and it doubled its size. See? So put a push in the middle and then try to gather it around, make it into a ball to get rid of the residue around the ball, and knead a little bit. Next, we have to dust the work table you're using it, just so it doesn't stick everywhere when you're gonna roll out the dough for your pizza base. So make sure you dust it, not too much as I did. That's just way too much. So I'm still kneading it a little bit just to get a little bit of flour in it. And because I want my dough thin, I made it into another half. So the other half goes in the cling wrap and goes in the freezer for the next time I need to use it. So here I'm just using a rolling pin to flatten out the dough. It doesn't have to be perfect because we are not serving in a restaurant. We are serving our families, which will appreciate the taste of it instead on the shape of it. After you achieve the desired shape for your dough, you're going to transfer it to your pizza pan. So you can make it thick or thin, it's up to your preference. So there you have it, guys. This dough is ready for its toppings, and please watch out for my next video is on how you put toppings on your pizza.